Today, I will show you how to make $10,000 or more on TikTok by diving into easiest faceless TikTok niches. Yes, so guess what, guys? Do you know you can make a good amount of money on TikTok? Yes. So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today we are diving into one of the hottest topics on social media: faceless TikTok. Yes, faceless TikTok niches that can help you make $10,000 or more. So if you're looking to earn money without showing your face on camera, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First question, why faceless TikTok? So guys, there are a few reasons. Anonymity. Yes, you can create content without being in the spotlight, which is great for people who are actually camera shy, and then you can focus on content. You can focus purely on creating engaging and valuable content without worrying about your appearance. And the next thing is scalability. Faceless niches often allow for easy content creation, making it easier to scale up your efforts. Yes. Now, niche one is quotes and inspiration. Yes, drum rolls. First up, quotes and inspiration niche. Now, the niche is super popular and easy to create content for. You can share motivational quotes paired with engaging visuals. You can use trending audio or background music to make your videos more appealing. Please post regularly to build a loyal following. With the right approach, you can monetize through affiliate marketing or by selling merchandise. The next niche here is life hacks and tips. Yes, you heard me right. So guys, people love learning new ways to make their lives easier. So here is how you can capitalize on this. Go ahead and create short videos demonstrating useful hacks. Then use text overlays to explain the steps. Curate content from other creators or sources while adding your own unique spin. I mean, this niche can attract sponsorships or even brand deals if you gain a significant following. Niche number 3 is educational content. Yes, education never goes out of style. Another lucrative niche is the educational content. See, you can share knowledge on topics like history, science, or even finance without showing your face. And here is how you can do that. You can use slides or animations to present information, make use of voiceovers or text-to-speech features, create series or themed content to keep viewers engaged. You can actually monetize through ads or affiliate links to educational resources. Guys, the next one on my list is cooking and recipe videos. Yes, cooking and recipe videos, they are always a hit. People like food. People like the idea of food. I'm telling you, in this niche, you can film the cooking process without showing your face. You can use voiceovers to explain each step. You can share quick and easy recipes that appeal to busy individuals. This niche can also lead to brand partnerships with kitchenware or even food brands. Yes. Guys, next is compilation videos. Yes. This niche allows you to curate content without being on camera. Here is what you need to do, or what you can do. You can create compilations of funny moments, fails, or viral moments. Use royalty-free clips and add your own commentary or even text. Ensure that you follow copyright guidelines to avoid issues. So once you gain traction, monetizing through ads and sponsorships is possible. Niche number 6 is ASMR. So guys, if you enjoy creating soothing sounds or relaxing content, this niche is for you. You can create sound-focused videos like tapping or whispering. Use calming visuals without showing your face. Focus on relaxation and mindfulness themes. Now, this niche has a dedicated audience, and you can monetize it through sponsorships or merchandise. Guys, start your faceless TikTok journey today. And there you have it. Some of the easiest faceless TikTok niches that can help you make over $10,000. The key is to find a niche that resonates with you and create consistent, high-quality content. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more money-making tips online. Yes, how to make money online. And let me know in the comments which of the niches you are excited to try. Now I'm doing a giveaway on this channel, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Yes, I'm giving away free cash. So besties, if you're new to this channel and you have not introduced yourselves, I'd like to know you. Please introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you, and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are simply amazing. I see you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. God bless you real good. On this channel, I share various ways to make, here we are not sleepy, we are not dulling. I say we are here to make money. So please go ahead and introduce yourselves. If you have not joined the family yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video right here on this channel. Do you want to miss out? I bet you don't want to miss out on all these juicy details. So guys, while you are introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. I mean, I think it's got me courtesy demands that I also introduce myself. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about giving you back-to-back valuable resources. Besties, I'm here to create content that will help you become the best version of yourself. Without further ado, let's get to the free money segment. Come with me, let's go. So besties, this is up for grabs. This $100 cash bill is up for grabs. All you need to do to get this money transferred to you, yes, here you go, have it, is to join my Telegram community. It is super easy. Go ahead, join my Telegram community. We have launched our Telegram channel, so go ahead and join first and foremost, then add 50 people into my Telegram community, and then I'll transfer this to you. Yes, you heard me. So go ahead and add your friends into my Telegram group. Yes, add your friends, add 50 people, which means you have to add 500 people or 1,000 people to, at least 10% of them will join. If 10% of 500 people join, you have 50, and if 5% of 1,000 people join, that's 50. You know, and you have more than that. The more, the merrier. The more, the better for you. The more you add, the more you stand the chance to get my free $100 cash, and I'll send it to you through Western Union Money Transfer or Cash App or Zelle or Venmo. If you're here in the United States, you know, I will just do the transfer to you immediate, no stories. So once you're done adding all these people into my Telegram community, come back to this video and let me know in the comments how many people you've been able to successfully add into my Telegram community. I will verify, and I will request for your email address, and I will get your ID. I'll get a form of identification just to be sure it is you, and I will transfer this money to you. Yes, I can't wait to release it. I can't wait. It's all yours. So yes, go ahead, click on that link. The link to my Telegram community is in the description as well as in the comments. Guys, that is it. Watching this video can translate into making money for you, so don't sleep on it too, as in G Masun. So guys, that is it for today. And yes, I want to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, please go ahead and join. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me, and we can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. And that is it, guys, for today. If this video has blessed you, know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like today's video, and do well to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys right here on the channel. Till I see you again in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl chances. And in case nobody has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are sweet, you are gorgeous, you are amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. And just in case, by any chance, anybody is doubting how far you can go so far. Yes, with my permission, I'm giving you the permission. Go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. You can't even smell them anymore. They can't even smell you anymore, because why? Levels don't change now. So besties, I'm super proud of you. Take care and go to Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye for now. Love you. Bye, guys.